Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about another strong buy, Nvidia, or ticker symbol NVDA. And as you can see right away, their price right now is $281. It is a little bit of a higher priced company, but I thought with their 65% growth in the last year, it'd be a great company to talk about for new investors like yourself. They have increased their target price by $111, guys. So you could have got in at a really cheap price and basically doubled your money. 61% of analysts are saying it's a buy, and just shy of 79,000 people own this company on Robinhood. Now, if you're not familiar with Nvidia Corp, it engages in the design and manufacture of computer graphic processors, chipsets, and related multimedia software. It operates through the Graphic Processing Unit, or GPU, and Tegra processor segments. So, let's get into the video and get a little bit more in depth on why this is a strong buy. As you can see on their 5-year chart, they have gone up almost 2,000% in 5 years. That means 5 years ago, you could have literally bought this company for around 12 bucks. Now, obviously we can't go back in time, but this is a strong company and I don't see it ever going down anytime soon. So just to throw that into your head of the great gains that from the past and the great gains that we can look at in the future. Now they do employ just shy of 12,000 employees. They've been founded since 1993 and are headquartered in Santa Clara, California. Their average volume is 13 million, and they have a small dividend yield of 0.23, not even 1%. Now their PE ratio is at around a 41, which isn't bad, but necessarily isn't good to me. For being such a high-priced company, I would say that that is pretty fair. And they have a market cap of $170 billion. CEO is Jin Sun Hung. Hope I said that right. And some of the collections are electronics, 100 most popular, manufacturing, technology, entertainment, video games, consumer products, and retail. Now, as you can see, average price paid was $193. I don't ever see the stock going back down to that. It's 45% higher right now than the average, but that's okay because it is showing strong growth. Now, it's not too late to buy this company. 61% of 36 ratings are saying that it's a buy. 36% are saying it's a hold, and only 3% are saying to sell. For the buy summary, the proliferation of the artificial intelligence and the deep learning phenomena of the rely on Nvidia's graphic chips presents the firm with a potential massive growth opportunity. The increasing complexity of the graphic processors provide a barrier to entry for most potential rivals, as it would be difficult to match Nvidia's large R&D budget. The firm has a first mover advantage in the autonomous driving market that could lead to widespread adoption of its Drive PX self-driving platform. Now, on the opposite end, from the same analyst, Morningstar, the sell summary would say that Nvidia's automotive endeavors face plenty of competition as numerous chip makers are targeting the market, as well as the artificial intelligence opportunity renames Nansen as is not a foregone conclusion for Nvidia's GPUs to dominate. And lastly, a majority of sales come from the maturing PC industry via PC gaming. Those are small words on the sell side compared to so much more that we could read on the buy side. There's a lot more opportunity for growth than there is for a decrease. Now, their earnings per share is amazing, guys. I love high earnings per share. Last quarter, they beat their expected earnings per share quite a bit and are now making around $2 per share. Now, I like that. That's showing great growth. I believe they're just going to keep going up, and their next expected earnings call is November 8th. As you can see, I bought back in March 13th for $247 and made about $1 in one day. For some reason, I bought in and sold the next day, do a swing trade. I believe I was just doing that multiple times to where I was able to make $20, $30 per week on small swing trades like this on companies that are showing great growth. Now, if we go to the street rating, and this is something that I do like, let your eyes adjust a little from the black screen to the white screen. Their target price right now, they're showing $350 is their target price, and I believe it's going to get to that very soon. They have an A buy rating with the street, and that also shows strong opportunity that this company isn't going anywhere. Now, they've had a buy rating since February 20th, 2013, guys. So they've been in a buy rating since the beginning of time, and I'm just kidding, not since the beginning of time, but they've had a buy rating pretty much the entire time, growing it when they were at a small company 5 years ago at only $10 or $12 to buy in. I wish, and all of you wish, that you could have bought in at that price too. But, that's not the point. The point is that this is still a very strong buy. It's not going to be decreasing anytime soon. There's a lot of people looking at this company, and some of their highlights for this company is the revenue growth is higher than the average. It's rose 40% in the last year, which has also significantly helped boost the earnings per share. Now, they also have a low debt to equity ratio of 0.23, not even 1%, which shows that this company is very successful in managing their debt levels. Along with this, the company maintains a quick ratio of 6.57, which clearly demonstrates the ability to cover short-term cash needs. Now, with that said, it's increased their earnings per share from $2.58 the prior year to $4.82, and now are expected to go even higher this next year from $4.82 to $7.32. Now, this company is not going anywhere anytime soon. Neither is graphics, computer chips, anything like that. It's all going to be just going up. Profit margin right now is currently at 65%. It has increased from the same quarter last year, and their net profit margin of 35% trails the industry average. That's okay. NVDA or Nvidia has a nice position with its competitors and peers, along with QCOM, Intel, AMD, and MU. Now, I have done a video on MU in the past. If you want to see that video, go ahead and go to my strong buy playlist, or just type in MU is a strong buy. As you can see here on the second chart, it is doing very well against its competitors as well. And here's a highlight of its statistics along with some of its competitors and peers. Now, I have done a video on MU, I have done a video on AMD and Intel as well. So all those videos are here available for you to watch and learn. They're all strong buys in my book. I will also be doing a video on Calcom Inc. and Broadcom Inc. within the next few weeks, and also Microchip Technology Inc. Texas Instruments Inc. is also on my list for videos. If there's a video that you see here that you want me to do, go ahead and comment below, and I will get that video done just like this one here for you guys, all right? Real quick, stock at a glance, some of its factors is ridiculous. Okay, so I'm just going to go off real quick. Growth, total return, efficiency, price volatility, and solvency are all 5 out of 5 stars. Now, I don't normally see this with the street rating, so that just shows that this company is outperforming and outbidding everything in its competition. It's just blowing up, and an income of 3 out of 5 stars, guys. If that hasn't proved to you that this company is a strong buy, then I don't know what else will. Now, at the same time, stockholder equity or net worth has increased by 47% since last year. So it's definitely been getting a lot more eyes on this company and a lot more investors on this company. For all of you too that want to look at some of the valuations, the PE ratios, price cash flow, earnings growth, sales growth, price growth, it's all right here, and you guys are more than welcome to look at that while I wrap up this video. Now, the most recent price changes, there's been no changes at all. It's been a buy rating, I said, since 2016, and as you can see on the bottom left, it also shows rating definitions and distribution of the street ratings. This is a good company, guys. I mean, downright, it's a good company to get involved with. Amazon has hit $1,000. I believe Nvidia can easily get up to $1,000. It's just going to take a little bit of time. it has increased 2,000% in 5 years, which is just amazing. 65% in 1 year, and it's not slowing down, guys. This company is not going anywhere. They're making so much money per share. They have a great cash flow. They're in a lot of different segments and areas for the computer chip processors, and I believe that this company is a strong buy today and will be probably a year or 2 or 3 years from now. So if you like this video, guys, please smash that like button. It really does help me to see that you guys enjoy watching these videos, and it makes me feel better about myself as well. It also helps with some of the YouTube algorithm that's recently changed. Also, share this video. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you like to share it, and reach out to some of your friends and family members who you think might enjoy watching this and could benefit from this as well. If there's a video that you want me to do, go ahead and put it in the comment below, and I will get that video researched and put up for you. I do upload videos every single day on my channel. There are small little tidbits here and there when I go on vacation or do certain things with my family where I won't post for 2 or 3 days, but I do try to post every single day and try to keep it as current and up to date as possible. If you feel like I've done a strong buy and it has recently changed and I don't know about it yet, leave a comment below saying, hey, Nvidia is on hold now, or hey, this other company's selling now. Could you do a video on it today? Yes, I can. I could do many videos on many things, and if you guys want to know more, go ahead and just comment below. You could also check out my website, cleverperceptions.com, where you can find tons and tons of useful information just for you. Alright guys, you have a great day and a great trading all week long.